How did Argentina's default lead to vulture fund battles? Have you ever wondered how a country's financial troubles can lead to fierce battles with investors? Argentina's story is a prime example. In the year 2001, Argentina faced a massive default on its sovereign debt, totaling around $95 billion. This default was not just a financial setback. It marked the beginning of a complicated conflict with what are often referred to as vulture funds. Vulture funds are investment firms that buy distressed debt at a very low price. They then seek to collect the full amount owed, often through legal action. Argentina's default was largely due to its inability to maintain economic stability. The country had faced a series of economic shocks, including the collapse of its currency peg to the United States dollar. This situation made it impossible for Argentina to service its debt obligations. After the default, Argentina attempted to restructure its debt in 2005. About two-thirds of bondholders accepted the new terms, but a significant minority, including vulture funds, refused to participate. These holdout creditors had purchased Argentine debt at a fraction of its face value and were determined to pursue full repayment through lawsuits, mainly in United States courts. The legal battles that followed focused on the enforcement of bond contracts. The vulture funds argued that Argentina's restructuring violated the pari passu clause. This clause requires that all creditors be treated equally. In a landmark ruling, United States courts, particularly under Judge Thomas Griesa, sided with the holdouts. This decision prevented Argentina from paying the bondholders who accepted the restructuring unless the holdouts were paid in full. As a result, Argentina found itself in a tough position. The country had to choose between paying the holdouts in full, which would be financially burdensome and politically unpopular, or continuing to face legal restrictions and isolation from international capital markets. This standoff lasted over a decade, significantly impacting Argentina's economic policies and its relationships with other nations. Eventually, political changes and negotiations under President Mauricio Macri led to settlements with many holdouts. This allowed Argentina to return to international borrowing. The battles with vulture funds highlighted how sovereign defaults can lead to prolonged legal disputes with specialized creditors. They also raised important questions about the mechanisms of sovereign debt restructuring and the rights of creditors. Argentina's experience serves as a reminder of the complexities involved in sovereign debt crises and the far-reaching effects they can have on a nation's economy and its standing in the global financial community.